Hey you guys, it's Melissa from whatwouldmelissawear.com, and I don't know about you, but I am saddened by the fact that I feel as if summer went as quickly as it came, and we're starting to feel some fall weather up here in New York, hence my leather shorts. Alright, so I woke up this morning and I was like, I need to make the best of both worlds. I want to bake something that reminds me of summer but has the sense of fall, and I decided I'm going to share with you guys my peach crumble recipe. It's definitely going to be the cheat recipe because today is Sunday, and my number one rule for Sunday: never go to the grocery store on a Sunday. Alright, so stay tuned and I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super quick peach crumble. So today's cheat version, instead of using real peaches, well, I mean these are real, but instead of using fresh peaches, I'm using the peach halves from Trader Joe's. They're in a white grape juice syrup. So I'm going to take probably 4 of these because they're halves. We're going to slice them. I'm going to take 3 for now. You want to slice them for your ramekins. And I'm going to put these into a bowl. Alright, so I have my peaches in a bowl, and I need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I like to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. Two teaspoons of flour. And just mix it. Now for the topping, which is super easy, it's just 4 tablespoons of rolled oats. I'm gonna do about 5 tablespoons of flour, brown sugar, I'm doing 4. I'm not adding that much sugar because this is already sweet and I don't feel like we need to have it extra sweet. So roll that in there. I love my crumbles to be extra crunchy on the top. So I usually take a granola bar. This one's the roasted almond. And I just like beat it up. Beat it up until it's like crumble. I add this into my mixture, and I save some for the top. Okay, and then you need 3 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. Get your ramekins. Add the peaches and the filling in. And you have to bake them in your oven for 35 to 40 minutes. So there you have it. This is the cheat-in peach crumble because I was too lazy to make a peach cobbler. If you guys would like the recipe, head over to whatwouldmelissawear.com. Look at it. That's so, look at how good that looks. Ooh. But yeah, head over to whatwouldmelissawear.com for this recipe. Super easy. It'll be done in less than 40 minutes. Am I gonna show you guys me eating this on camera? I think I